students, welcome to our English class. So today we are going to study grammar, and in that our lesson name is this and that. मग आजच्या विषय धड्याचं नाव काय आहे? This and that. So students, can you see here a diagram on the blackboard? Just look it very carefully. First we will see the diagram first. First we will understand the diagram. आपण ही आकृती पहिले समजून घेऊया, मग आपण आपल्या टॉपिक कडे पुढे वळूया. See here, I have made two parts. Can you see here? First, in the first part, I have written singular, and in the second part, I have written plural. So in your previous class, you must have been studied singular and plural. तर तुम्ही तुमच्या आधीच्या वर्गात तुम्ही शिकलाच असाल सिंग्युलर आणि प्लुरल म्हणजेच काय. Depending to this both topic, today we are going to see the topic which is this and that. Singular means what? Any single object, any one thing. Singular म्हणजेच एक. And what is mean by plural? Plural म्हणजेच अनेक, एकापेक्षाही जास्त. More than one is plural and only one is singular. You can see here I have drawn the picture of a ball. In singular you can see only one ball, but in plural you can see more than one balls, like 1, 2, 3. So as here are more than one ball, so this is plural. So moving forward, you can see below, तुम्ही खाली पाहू शकता, I have made more two parts. Here also I have made again two parts. From singular I have made this and that. There are two houses. What is the name of that house? This and that. And in the plural, here again there are two houses. Which are those? These and those. You can find one thing common in the pronunciation of this and here in this. Like see here is the spelling THIS. But here the spelling of this is THESE. So students, what is the meaning of this part and this part? Today we will see that. तुम्ही पाहू शकता इथे मी दोन घरं बनवली आहेत. एकामध्ये आहे this आणि एकामध्ये आहे that. या बाजूला देखील this आणि those तुम्ही पाहू शकता. तर when we use this, you can see here near. I have written below near, NEAR, near. Near म्हणजेच काय तर जवळ. एखादी जवळची वस्तू दर्शवण्यासाठी आपण काय यूज करतो तर दिस यूज करतो. THIS दिस. ती जर वस्तू एकच असेल, एखाद्या वस्तूला आपण फक्त दर्शवणार असेल तर आपण काय म्हणणार दिस. THIS दिस. We will use THIS this word. If anything, only one thing is just near us, we will use the word THIS this. But if any one thing is little far away from us, then we will use THAT that. If only one thing is little bit away from us, then we will use the word that. See, for near we will use this and for away we will use that. So सांगायचं तात्पर्य म्हणजेच काय तर एखाद्या वस्तूला दर्शवण्यासाठी जर ती वस्तू जर जवळ असेल तर आपण काय म्हणणार दिस, आणि जर अशी थोडीशी आपल्यापासून लांब असेल तर आपण काय यूज करणार दॅट. सो इन द अदर पार्ट, इन द प्लुरल पार्ट, प्लुरल मीन्स एकापेक्षाही जास्त. प्लुरल म्हणजेच काय एकापेक्षा अधिक. जर ती प्लुरल वस्तू म्हणजे एकापेक्षा त्या अधिक वस्तू आपल्यापासून नियर असतील म्हणजेच आपल्यापासून जर जवळ असतील, इफ एनीथिंग which is near us means we will use the word THESE this. See here we have seen of a category of a single thing. So here we are seeing in the category of many things. So in the category of many things, जर एकापेक्षाही जास्त वस्तू असतील तर त्यासाठी कुठला वर्ड यूज करायचा तर THESE this. केव्हा जर ती वस्तू आपल्या जवळ असते. जर if there is any plural, if there are more than one things, then we use THESE this. When we use this THESE this, when the thing is near us, but when the thing is far away from us, जर एखादी वस्तू जराशी आपल्यापासून लांब असेल what we will use? Those. 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 In short, student, if any one thing is near on only one thing, then we will use this. And it is little bit far. If any one thing is far, then we will use that. म्हणजेच एखादी एक वस्तू जर जवळ असेल तर this आणि एखादी एकच वस्तू जर जराशी लांब असेल तर काय that हा शब्दाचा यूज करणार. तसंच दुसऱ्या बाजूला in plural if more than one thing is near us then we will use this. But more than one thing, if they are little bit far, then what we will use? Those. So student, as our today's topic name is this and that. So today we are going to study only about the right side, which is that this and that. As our topic name is this and that. तर आज आपण this आणि that चे आता काही examples बघूया. त्याआधी we will see some definitions. Definition म्हणजेच प्रस्तावना. This and that ची प्रस्तावना आता आपण बघूया. See here definition. This is used for the things that are near to us, and that is used for the things that are away from us. So students, this म्हणजेच एखादी वस्तू आपल्यापासून जर जवळ असेल, this is used for the things that are near to us. म्हणजे एखादी वस्तू, एखादी एकच वस्तू जर आपल्या जवळ असेल then what we will use? तर आपण काय कुठल्या शब्दाचा यूज करणार? This. This. And that is used for the things that are away from us. आणि एखादी एक वस्तू फक्त जराशी आपल्यापासून लांब असेल then we will use the word that. That. So this is the definition of this and that, just depending on the same as this diagram. Now we will see some examples. See here examples. First example, you can see a picture of a jar. तुम्ही इकडे एखाद्या जारचा चित्र तुम्हाला दिसू शकतं. किती जार काढले आहेत मी? फक्त एकच जार काढला आहे. नीट लक्ष देऊन बघा. मी अनेक नाही तर फक्त एकच जार इथे चित्र काढला आहे. So what we will come if the jar is near to us? जर तो जार आपल्यापासून जरा जवळ असेल तर आपण कसं म्हणायचं? This is a jar. But if the jar is little away from us, जर का तो जार आपल्यापासून जरासा लांब असेल तर आपण परत असंच म्हणणार का this is a jar? No, we will say as that is a jar. When we use the word that, when the jar is little away from us. In the second example, this is a tree. You can see a picture of a tree. How many trees I have drawn here? Only one tree. मी इथे फक्त एका झाडाचं चित्र काढलेलं आहे. अनेक काढलेले आहेत का? नाही. This is a singular object. म्हणजे इथे फक्त एकच झाड आहे. So if the tree is near to us, what we will say? This is a tree. But what if the tree is little far away? जर का ते झाड जरासं लांब असेल तर आपण कसं म्हणणार? That is a tree. So this is the difference between this and that. So students, in this lesson we have seen about the singular object, that how to call them or how to say in a sentence that when to use this and when to use that from the lesson this and that.